Oh, yo, oh, yo, oh, yo. What's up, everybody? Kingdom of Hearts, Goofy, GameStop exclusive. This is number 266 in the maybe Disney line? I'm not quite sure. Not quite sure what category this falls under. Maybe Pop Games. There we got the back. Again, you might have seen my video of the Donald Duck Hot Topic exclusive. Goofy, of course, which I have here, is GameStop exclusive. Pete is black and white and will be available at Walmart. Chip 'n Dale is going to be a common 2-pack, as well as the Mickey. If this thing looks anything like the Donald Duck, I'll be very, very pleased. There's the top of the box. You know, the bottom, like always. I just showed you the back. The bottom, if you want to see it, it's upside down, who cares? And the other side. Let's go ahead and crack Mr. Goof Troop open. Wow. Not as vibrant on the choices of paint, but he looks really damn cool. Look at this helmet. That is damn cool. Look at that. Look at those ears. That's so neat. Look at the ears. Look at his teeth. His hand. His suit. Again, like the Donald, very detailed. Very cool. Very neat. His badonkadonk. His elf shoes. Look how pointy these fucking things are. There's your Disney. And your Funko. Wow, what a great looking pop. Very cool. He's got his glove on that hand, and then he's got a, I don't know, is that a metal arm? Did Darth Vader chop that other one off? Don't know. Tell me in the comments below. But again, we have stitching on his pants area, just like the Donald Duck did on his suit. This is definitely a winner for me. Not as cool looking as Donald, but still, in its own respect, looks really, really neat. I would give this one a 4 out of 5. That helmet's really cool. Reminds me of Scooby-Doo for some reason. I'm not sure why. Speaking of Scooby-Doo, who got the creeper at FYE? I didn't get him, and I am pissed. So disappointed. So disappointed. But there you go. There you go, guys. That is the Goofy GameStop exclusive Kingdom Hearts number 266 in the set. I believe you actually got this at Think Geek, and I did not get it at GameStop. But I do believe GameStop is getting their shipments in as of late this week. So go out and get them, and I'll bring some more reviews to you guys. And please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you later. Bye.